Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact email client and account you'll use. This matters because archive locations differ. Sign in and open the main view. Once done, scan the sidebar for folders and labels. Make sure to expand any collapsed sections so hidden folders appear. If you're on mobile, tap the menu icon first. This first step gets you into the interface where archive lives and prevents searching the wrong account or view. Next, navigate to the location where archived messages are stored. In Gmail, open All Mail or search with label Archive. In Outlook, look for an archive folder under your mailbox or archive PSD/online archive. Use the search bar with modifiers like In, Archive, or the Apps Archive filter to surface hidden messages. On mobile, expand the side menu or use the search icon. Make sure sync is complete. Finally, open any archived message to view details. If you want it back in the inbox, use Move to Inbox or remove the archive label. Once moved, confirm it reappears by refreshing or resyncing. If you can't find messages, check account sync settings, active filters, or other linked accounts that may hold mail. As a troubleshooting tip, always log into the provider's webmail to verify server-side archives. That distinguishes client-only issues from account-level problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.